I just walked up to Burnsy and I was like, what if I want to watch?
Kinky.
And he says it's kinky. We're doing a little final scrapings.
Something like that.
These gaskets are embedded because they're ancient.
Just like you. I'm only 25. I don't know what you're talking about.
You're full of crap. Anyway, so he's getting this cleaned up. The engine side on the heads is ready to go. So we'll get this ready to rock. Ooh. My God. Breathe deep. Burnsy's going to be special here later. So,
Especially every day.
yeah, that's true. Coming along. Look at that. Look at the city comb.
Yeah, that'll come right off.
Yeah, I'm rubbing it out right now.
Rubbing one out right now?
Might take 2 fingers.
I want to know about what you do on your off time, okay?
You used to live with me.
Unfortunately.
Oh, come on. We had fun. We did a lot of goofy shit. Remember jumping a Camaro with no rear shocks at like 3 in the morning with no T-tops and no hood?
Dude. See, that's why my back hurts.
That's not the only reason. I think us fighting and falling through an ice chest was pretty good, too.
Yeah, that was a good one.
And then we laughed as soon as that happened. Remember that time I was fighting with Matt? And I bit his nipple, and then we stopped and started laughing.
Forgot about it. We still got to do the...
We got to sit down and do a whole video of that stuff. That's going to be a long one.
Yes, it is.
Anyway, back to John's that. Burnsy's finalizing getting this cleaned up, and then I'm going to be gooping this baby down. And we can start reassembly. And the rest of his parts should be here by the end of the week. Woo! So hopefully this baby...
Friday I'll be busy, huh?
Hopefully this baby goes home midweek next week.
That'd be awesome.
That would be awesome.